Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to switch back to a personal account on Instagram. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Instagram on your device. Now go to your Instagram profile by clicking on the little profile picture icon at the bottom right. When you are on your profile, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. After that, open your settings and privacy. When you get to this page, tap on the Creator Tools and Controls right here. Then find the Switch Account Type button and click it. Then you'll see this menu. We want to click on the personal account, which is the first option. Now you will see this little notification that if you switch back to a personal account, you will list the creator tools and insights that the business account on Instagram offers. If you are sure you don't need those, simply confirm your decision by clicking here and wait a couple of seconds. Now your Instagram account will be a personal account and you won't have the creator tools anymore. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.